Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. If it's the morning and you're watching this, good morning. If it's the afternoon, good afternoon to you. And if it's the evening, good evening to you too. I appreciate all of you, regardless of whatever time it is and you click on my thumbnail to watch my videos. You know, so as a knife guy with a knife channel, it's hard to keep things creative and, keep things a little different. And so I'm sitting here and I think a lot, just like a lot of other people do. And it dawned on me that you don't see a lot of videos where the smaller knives are really getting their due props and their due love. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and show some really small knives today. And there's, as you can see, there's how many we got? We got 9 here, but I'm going to be fast. This is not going to be a long video, you guys. I'm going to be fast. But I thought, you know what? Let's give our fifth pocket smaller knives some love today on this hump day. So here we go. And again, these have not been polished up, as you'll see. I just got into some stash and grabbed them out. And as you can see, this one here is missing its shield. But what do we got here? Case XX. Well, look at this little tiny one. Case XX. I can't even make out that number. But she's old. I know she's old. Oh, a little plain blade. Still got plenty of meat on all the blades. Yeah. Definitely was a user back in the day. Oh, you hear that snap. So anyways, the number 1 was a case. Alrighty. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, looky here. Pocket worn. Another case. Pretty bone. Look at that. See the different colors in there? That's nice. Boy, if I wanted to clean this up, here's a candidate, which keep complaining that I don't have a whole lot of knives to clean up anymore because the ones that needed it, I cleaned it up. Well, I forgot about these. Another Case XX. Case XX USA. No dots. So you know what that means. Before the 70s anyways, right guys? Kiko. Of course my dog's gonna act up. This could use a definite cleaning. But look at that. Plenty of meat on that blade too. Huh. Wonder how old. Probably 50s or below, I would assume. Probably. Who knows? Maybe I need to figure that out, huh? Let me make sure I keep going. Okay. Case Peanut. Nice jigging. Look at that. Tell you, you guys know it as well as I do. Back in the day, their fit and finish. Oh, you can see that blade's got a bend in it too. Obviously, a user. Yeah, let's see what the tang tells us. Case XX, stainless steel, USA. And I would have to look, I believe, with my magnifying glass. But I believe that's 5 dots. Watch it. Wow. That peanut's got great snap. Here we go. Number 622. Well, it's either a 0 or an 8. I think it's a 0. 6220 on that pen blade. And this thing is sharp. Got walk and talk. Wow, this one's nice. That can be cleaned up. Okay. Hope everybody's having a great week. You know, it's been, you know, it's been a crazy past couple weeks, hasn't it, you guys? All right, so what do we got here? Camillus. Wow, look at that blade. Camillus, long line under it, New York, USA. So, I think that's going to put this one in one long line for Camillus. Okay, there you go, number 22. I know their last hang stamp, which again, they folded in 2007. Their last hang stamp had the 2 lines. So this one has the 1 line. Nice peanut, though. It's a nice Camillus. I like Camillus knives. Okay. Everybody should know what that is, because again, back in the day, due to the cost, most everybody had these. Now, this was their fancier line, but again, Camillus should be. What's that say? USA foreign. What the heck? USA foreign patent pending with the Imperial. I meant Imperial. Oh, here we go. Oh, I was like, that's an Imperial shield. Okay, here we go. Wow, that's an old one. Imperial stainless USA at the very bottom. Yeah, that's an old one. Wow, but that's weird. This blade. See what that thing says? USA foreign patent pending. A foreign patent pending. Wow. I gotta get into some of these older knives I've got. That is really cool. I actually got more than one of these. Given 1 or 2 to my brother-in-law, too. Okay, I think I did one short on this when I got it. Of course, that rose bone, right? I think that was what they called it. It's pretty. Had one of the subscribers offer me one of theirs, and you know, I was over my budget when he hit me up on spending for knives, so I said, no, I probably should have grabbed it. But I try to, you know, stick with a lot that I can spend when I spend it. Anyways, this one looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, yeah. 10 dots. 1970, right? Wow. Watch your fingers. And that is 6/2/23 and a half SR. Wow, half stops. Watch it. That is a nice one right there. Okay, I'm going to keep going, guys. I know. Ooh, look at this. Okay, what do you guys think? Who made this? Look at the easy pull out there, easy pull out there. So you got easy pulls on both sides, both handles. Look at that. Look at that. All right, what do you guys think? Who made it? Case XX USA. 5-dot. And that's pristine right there. That blade has not been touched. Look at that. Look at that factory edge. Look at that. Very nice. Okay. This is number 05263. And again, SSP. Whatever the SSP, huh? Watch it. Okay, getting down to the nitty gritty now. One of probably my most favorite fifth pocket knife I have. This is true, actual Tortoise, back before they banned using it. So this is tortoise shell. Anybody have an idea? What do you think? You know, that's that similar badge. Of course, similar. But this is a, looky there, you guys, Remington UMC. No other words around the circle, below the circle. Just capital Remington UMC, which again puts this one, oh geez, I can't remember, 30s or below. I want to say below, but I can't remember. But you guys can, Google it. Remington UMC circle, that's it. And again, I'm pretty sure it's the 30s or below. From my memory, I'm old, you guys. Look at that. On both blades. But man, that tortoise shell, right? How cool is that? Look at that fit and finish. And those of you who follow my channel, you know I'm a vintage Remington freak for sure. So here we go, and one more, and we'll wrap this up. It's been long enough. Look at that, gosh. Case, man, they're jigging you guys, right? Vintage and now, that's one thing. They have their jigging on point. But as we all know, look at the quality control back in the day, man. Back when it seemed like they took a lot more pride in what went out the door. Compared to nowadays, it's a roll of the dice. You can still get good knives from them, but so many times you're going to get ones you're not so happy with. On the fit and finish, anyways. Case XX Super Sport 1-dot. 1-dot. And underneath the SS Super Sport SS USA. Nothing on the back of it. This is a user. It can use to be cleaned up for sure. This is number 63 It's either 887 or 63007. I think it's 63887SS. Okay, let's see if the pen blade says anything. Nope, just pen blade just says SS, big SS. Be easy to date. That's for sure. Case swirl on the C with the XX shield. Yeah, 1 dot. That's nice. Anyways, you guys, so yeah, I decided today, let's give the little tiny knives, the 5th pocket knives, some loves. So there you go. Hope you guys liked the show. Thank you for those of you who made it. As long as you did, I appreciate it. Hope everybody, of course, has a great Wednesday. Hope everybody stays safe. You know. And again, that's it. Just over 16 minutes. That's long enough. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. And we'll be talking to you soon. And you know what I like to say over here at That Pocket Knife Guys channel. Cheers in Florida, and what's in your pocket? There's your daps.